Stopping CIBC payments is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. You can place a stop payment order on a check that has not been yet cashed. This will prevent CIBC from processing the payment. Log in to CIBC Online Banking and navigate to the Customer Services section. Select Stop Payments and choose Stop a Payment on a Check. Follow the instructions to complete the process. Call CIBC Telephone Banking at 1-800-465-2422 and request a stop payment on the specific check. Provide the check number and any other relevant information. Visit a CIBC branch and ask a banking representative to place a stop payment order on the check. If the bill payment is still pending, you can cancel it through CIBC Online Banking or the CIBC Mobile Banking app. Log in to CIBC Online Banking and navigate to the Payments and Transfers section. Choose Bill Payments and select the upcoming payment you want to cancel. Click Cancel to confirm. Open the CIBC Mobile Banking app and log in. Go to the Bill Payment section and select the upcoming payment you want to cancel. Tap on Cancel to confirm.